The White House is looking to get vaccines out for kids within weeks. They expect regulators to give emergency authorization to Pfizer's vaccine for 5 to 11-year-olds. As 9 News reporter Eddie Randall explains, one of the main differences with this distribution is kids wouldn't go to mass vaccination sites.
The White House is saying it wants to use trusted locations and list schools, doctors' offices, and community centers as a couple of options. But right now, the country is basically playing the waiting game, waiting for approval from the FDA and recommendations from the CDC for vaccines for kids ages 5 to 11. The Biden administration says the use of the Pfizer vaccine is expected to be authorized in the coming weeks. According to the White House statement, the administration has acquired enough vaccines to support the country's 28 million children that fall within that age group. Now let's talk about here at home. Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment says it's already placed a pre-order with the CDC, and the state is planning on getting about 171,000 pediatric doses by early November. The Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 to 11 will be a smaller dose than the dose for kids 12 and older, and CDPHE says it will be packaged differently. Now, we talked to a local doctor who says his office is already ready for a vaccine wave, but they also have to be ready for the differences in feelings in families and parents. And there's one question that always comes up.
And one of the most common questions some of those parents will ask is, they'll say, I'm actually not interested in as much as the science. I want to know, what did you do with your kid? If you as a doctor are recommending this for my kid, did you give it to your own kid? And all of us here have given it to our own kid. On the day, like my youngest was immunized on the very day of her 12th birthday. We are highly motivated with our own precious loved ones and our own family to get those kids vaccinated.
The CDC Advisory Committee has a meeting scheduled for the beginning of November. Now, since schools are a part of this kids shot rollout, Denver Public Schools says it's planning on having some vaccine clinics, but we're still waiting to hear more information on exactly how that will work. Back to you.